Stainless steel material bowl, polished to a mirror sheen. Flat bottom design can stop pets to tip the bowl over. Dog stainless bowl rubber base can effectively reduce noise and skidding while your pet eats, also can protect the hardwood floor from scratch. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. This pet bowl rubber base can be removed and put on. Top diameter 6.3 inch, 16 centimeters, bottom diameter 8.5 inch, 21.5 centimeters, height 2 inch, 5 centimeters. Holds up to 16 ounces each, perfect for dry kibble, wet food, treats, or water. Set of 2 stainless dog food bowls. If any problems, replacement or money-back guarantee. Considerate Design. Scratch and rust resistant design enable this bowl long-lasting good look and superior performance. Cleans up quickly and easily in the dishwasher. Definitely a reliable and healthy choice for your puppies/kitties and dogs/cats. Rubber bottom to reduce noise and slipping. Fitted with a rubber ring on the bottom, no more sliding across the floor. The slip-resistant rubber base also helps protect bare and hardwood floors from damage. Set of 2. 3 different size bowl fit various of body sizes dogs feeding need. Each set includes 2 same bowls for the convenience of feeding pet food and water, make feeding easier and leave more peace of mind for pet parents. Top reviews from the United States. Nice bowl for the price. Nice and light. Rubber on the bottom stops the bowl from sliding on the floor. The inside of the bowl is rounded so food doesn't get stuck around the edges.